Reef Money is a blockchain-based stage intended for DeFi and NFT. Reef really is a condensing of dependable, extensible, effective, and quick blockchain, which generally is genuinely huge. The Layer 1 blockchain of Reef Life Partner is known as the Reef chain, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Reef Coin is an Ethereum-based virtual machine-viable brilliant chain explicitly intended for shrewd agreement. Existing applications can basically be ported from Ethereum to the Reef chain without adjusting its robustness code. Reef incorporates the best highlights of in every way that really matters, decentralized finance. It in a real sense is portrayed by its low exchange expense, versatility, dApps, and no inefficient mining. DeFi certainly is quickly developing, and it is on the grounds that numerous expert financial backers enter the market. The Reef coin has worked with a substrate system, and it for the most part has on-chain administration. Moreover, it works with a signed resistant of stake agreement and cutting-edge cryptography. The chain local area oversees the Reef, and it is self-upgradable through local area chose specialized chamber. The Reef digital money was established by Denko Manchesky in 2019, determined to improve on admittance to DeFi. Thus, Reef gives a one-stop stage to admittance to Binance, Savvy Chain, Torrential Slide, and Universe. This dodges the production of various records and passwords. Not at all like other blockchain innovation, Reef permits the client to contract and explicitly work different chains from a solitary stage. The Reef environment totals chances of DeFi together. It comprises of the accompanying things. Right off the bat, a Reef application, which is a wallet and a symbolic maker, which really is genuinely critical. Besides, a Reef expansion, a program expansion, works with connections with Reef. Thirdly, Reef check block pioneer to especially connect with Savvy contract conveyed in Reef in a significant way. At last, a Reef trade, which is a decentralized trade for Reef tokens. The Reef chain incorporates Reef 20 tokens and NFT. Liquidity spans for moving liquidity among Ethereum and Reef, DEXs, and AMMs for exchanging Reef 20 resources on decentralized trades, stablecoins, and currency markets to really fence unpredictability, procures revenue on stablecoin credits. Working of Reef. Reef works in an unexpected way. It comprises of a chain of a few shrewd agreements. Cross-chain associations with the DeFi stage in every practical sense are truly acknowledged with a Reef crate motor. So it is the passage point into the framework, or so they thought. Reef Insight motor and Reef Really Savvy Yield motor are arranged inside the bushel motor. Shrewd yield motors produce bushels of computerized resources in which clients can in a real sense contribute while procuring a yield. It utilizes man-made intelligence innovation. Savvy Yield motor offers decentralization and local area-driven administration. Reef's Knowledge motor is a profit information accumulated from various hotspots for on-chain intermediary. Subsequently, clients can get ongoing information, for example, changes in and exercises of the liquidity pool and resource cost variety with the assistance of the Knowledge motor. Both the motor together help the Reef crate motor for exact working in an unobtrusive manner. Reef crate motor speaks with liquidity aggregator and examination motor. With this, clients can put or enhance their DeFi into in every practical sense, different stages. There is no need to physically really deal with the results of exercises. Significant Reef upheld chains explicitly incorporate Binance Savvy Chain, Plasm, Moonbeam, Torrential Slide, and Ethereum. Investigating the previous value information of Reef coin, it began exchanging on December 23, 2020. The everything time low explicitly is noted in the kind of beginning days after its posting with Binance, or so they truly thought. Reef effectively exchanged the principal quarter of 2021. Very nearly multiple times. It was tried at the 5 cents obstruction level and denoted an unsurpassed high in spring. From May 2021 onwards, a descending pattern has started in the coin, uncovered a winding down really bad energy, and costs sunk to 1 cent in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Reef coin has moved sideways for the truly next quarter and afterwards started an up move again in a for the most part significant manner. It was an extremely sluggish movement which denoted a medium-term high at 3 cents. In this manner, bears hold the value back to 1 cent in opposition to mainstream thinking. In outline, 6 cents is going about as a help zone for Reef, and the sort of token has returned from the zone ordinarily. As of late, Reef has likewise tumbled to this level, began a pattern inversion, and stays weighty by the negative opinion. So it is important to in every way that really matters, do a definite specialized examination to realize how Reef will move in the essentially present moment. The digital currency market is advancing step by step, and kind of additional expert financial backers are entering the crypto market. Reef was a wise interest in 2021, and it gave a good return over last month and last week. High-level DeFi and brilliant agreements projects are fundamentally normal and cutthroat in the blockchain innovation industry. Allow us to examine Reef digital currency cost expectation for long-haul venture. Reef value figure 2022. The future cost of Reef is expected to start at 1 cent in a significant manner. Reef cost forecast really shows that it might separate to 1 cent toward the finish of 2022. Reef value forecasts 2023. The Reef cost estimate for 2023 may start with a truly least cost of 1 cent and the greatest cost of 1 cent. It is important to leave the standing firm on footing according to the best crypto expectation. The future typical cost for the year might be 1 cent, which is especially low contrasted with the especially current worth. Reef conjecture 2024. Reef cost is supposed to start at a greatest degree of 1 cent. Very much like the earlier year, sharp fall is normal, which may generally take the cost of Reef to 1 cent inside the primary portion of the year. Further, for the most part, plunge might take the Reef cost to a base degree of 1 cent before the year's over incredibly. This implies all the quickly return assumptions are reduced by time. Reef value forecast 2025. The future cost of Reef is negative, and 2025 is expected to start at 2 cents. There by and large is a slight cost rise anticipated in the principal quarter, yet it is irrelevant taking a gander at the final part separate. According to our Reef cost forecast, costs might hit 2 cents by the principal half. The typical exchanging cost might diminish to 2 cents. And toward the finish of 2025, Reef may by and large be looking at the zone of 2 cents. Reef value forecast 2026. According to our Reef cost forecast, the normal cost of Reef toward the start of the year might be 2 cents with a most extreme degree of 2 cents. Simultaneously, the base level is anticipated to be around 1 cent. Future Reef cost expectations show Reef cost expecting a really descending excursion from the ongoing cost, which makes Reef not a very wise speculation. It can't be viewed as a productive speculation for a very long time. It is a decent purchase and open door at the very current cost, however, just for the medium term in an unpretentious manner. Long-haul valuation isn't persuading, so take appropriate monetary exhortation prior to effective money management if you have any desire to add Reef to your kind of current speculation portfolio. Is Reef a wise speculation? In view of Reef cost forecasts, Reef may not merit putting resources into later on. The above video is for data purposes. Token development might transform from the expectations, and future computerized coins cost relies upon different elements. Thus, a precise long-haul value expectation is unimaginable in the digital currency market in an extremely huge manner. So put resources into Reef shrewdly and credibly. Own exploration and a touch of speculation guidance sort of are suggested prior to taking a passage. Where might I at any point purchase Reef in a significant manner? Reef basically is accessible at major crypto trades. It most certainly is recorded in genuinely concentrated trades, especially like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, Gate.io, Bitfinex. In any case, Binance has the biggest number of matches in an unpretentious manner. It is additionally accessible in decentralized trades, for example, 1inch and Uniswap. What amount will Reef be worth in 2030? According to our Reef estimate, the typical cost of Reef is expected to be around 5 cents, with a most extreme cost of 5 cents. The base cost of Reef in 2030 could basically be around 5 cents according to our Reef expectation.